Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope you're all doing good. It's another day, another vlog. Welcome back to my channel. Yay! This is gonna be my first last week of school. Yeah. Anyways, I have a lot of things to do before I go to school. Right now I think it's 7 and as you can see my meza is a little bit mess. So let's fix that and then I'm gonna do a little bit of assignment that we wasn't last week. That's the only things I have to do right now. And yeah, let's go. We even have an apron here. I wanted to make banana bread today in the evening after I come back from my class. You know, you guys, I'm even allergic to banana. I'm missing on a lot. I know you guys, I know. I can't eat bananas. By the way, you know, I can even use my mic, but then I can't use it because I don't know, it doesn't fit. Like, we're مش غنى, so I don't even have the banana bread chocolate milk. I bought it yesterday and then they already even started eating it. You know, for some reason, I don't even feel like doing something right now. I was so motivated in the morning, but not right now. I just feel something in my stomach. I don't know why, but like, you know, like, I feel that thing in my stomach, or like, somebody don't do something. It's shaitan kaya gawa do. I don't know why, is it so mugdi in here? Or is it under my eyes? There is no Wi-Fi. Are you sure? I just bought data. I don't know why was it not working earlier, but then right now it's working and I'm using the laptop and then the iPad. Yeah. Anyways, let's get into work. You know, I still can't give up wearing these shoes. I bought another 2 shoes to wear it, but then this is so too comfortable too. You know, you know, it's like, oh. But luckily, this year I decided to just was wearing the other shoes. You know, I have a lot of shoes, but then sticking to this one, I can't let it go. I don't know why, but welcome to my last week of school. Yay! Can't believe I'm finishing college. Yay! Welcome to Salma's kitchen. Today we're gonna make banana bread. Banana cookie. Banana chocolate chip cookie. Banana chocolate chip cake. I don't know if it's that, but yeah. Anyways, that what we are gonna make, and then we have laba haba moss. I don't actually eat bananas, but then at the same time I have to make this because I want to try out the recipe. You know, I'm recording for YouTube at the same time. Hi girlies! Today I'm gonna show you how to make chocolate chip banana bread at home. It's super easy and so soft, you know. Yeah. First, measure out 50 grams of sugar and 80 grams of butter. You can use any brand you like. I use Blue Band because that's what we have at home, you know. I don't know why I'm making banana bread in the middle of the night as someone who is allergic to banana. So then measure out 50 grams of chopped chocolate, add it into your butter and melt them together until smooth. For the dry ingredients, you're gonna measure out 350 grams of flour and you're gonna measure out 7 grams of baking powder, and you can add in 5 grams of baking soda. That's optional. For the wet ingredients, you're gonna mash 2 ripe bananas until completely smooth, and then you're gonna add in 3 eggs, and then you add in your melted butter and chocolate mixture, 70 ml of oil or 70 grams, that is like the same. You're gonna mix all that very well and then slowly add in your dry ingredients and mix until combined. Don't overmix, please. Yes. Finally fold in some extra chopped chocolate for that gooey chocolate chip moments, and then you're gonna bake it to 200 degrees for about 40 to 45 minutes or until toothpick comes out clean. Oh my god, look at this. Wow, it turned out so good. Stop. Whoa. Hi guys, today I'm with Abu. Abu is shy, so we are going to Cloud Corner. They invited me, and today is actually my birthday, so let's spend it together. This is actually my first time sitting in front, yeah, because Abba again or Mesha. Anyways. I'm gonna prepare one iced strawberry matcha, cloud signature, and then we have iced cake, one iced cake, and then the iced vanilla matcha. It has salted cold foam. Let's make it together. This is the drinks I made. I'm gonna do a review. This one is the iced matcha with the cold foam, salted cold foam, yeah. And then we have this one is iced crack. Now we have another one here. Can we call her? Signature cloud corner. Let's start with the vanilla iced matcha with the salted cold foam. To the people who hate matcha, I think you guys should try with cold foam. Yeah, that is gonna make it taste better. Let's try the iced crack. This for Fateh, my baby. Yeah. Oh my god, yeah. Wow.
I told you it's sweet.
How can I McDonald's? This one is the signature cloud corner.
The one I'm making.
Wow. لكن يكون والله معاه واير. Without cold foam هذا. This one I will rate it 8. 8 هسينا. Can actually is a 10 out of 10. Yeah, this one is a 10 out of 10, and then this one I'll give it 8.5 عمل. Yeah. We're gonna make fatihio tufah, try them, and then we're gonna see their rates. 7 second. Okay.
Indeed.
The ice crack مقاسي ساعدك.
8.
8. Okay.
I'll give it a 10. It's so sweet.
Yeah, this is so sweet actually, right? I know.
10.
Yes, that's why she's saying
My favorite.
You know, I just got back home, and then the qurahda is killing me, literally. What you mean?
Literally, والله بالله كل هالسائدة وكلش هيك. Oh my goodness.
I came back from shopping for Ramadan, and literally Ramadan is next week. Yeah, والله بالله قرحة زائدة وكل شيء. I hope so it cools down before Ramadan can تلقارن. Inshallah, you know. But anyways, I'm just gonna give you guys a haul of what I got. This baquliyal, what is it called? I don't know. Baquliyal شمحاكوش بربا. What is it called? Custard. You know, I'm gonna serve soup or custard, whatever it is. Then I got this set بكرياشة أو golden things كده أو design كحدا سعودة I don't know. Next is this pizza board honeycomb عملها سارة, you know, yeah. And then this fish plate, yeah. Next, juice jar, and then I got this serving bowl, serving bowl. I don't know what it is. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like. It's a set of 3, by the way. This is how it looks like. Yeah, I fell in love with the details. These details, detailing gun. This design. Look at that.
Whoa!
So, look at that. You know, yeah. That's all I got. Let me show you the cups, by the way. Oh, this is so cute. Look at this cups looks so cute. And then actually everything matches here. To the wall details, to the miska. Look at the miska details. Anyways, maybe this is gonna be my last clip of the Halalaha before Ramadan. And I'm gonna post it, I think, on Friday. Ramadan ki kahor. Hakad remember Ramadan ko hair. Just literally 1 week. I'm on 7 days, I'm 8 days, I'm on academy. So I'm gonna post it the other Friday. There is another vlog, I'm gonna post it. And I'm gonna post tomorrow, which I already edited. And I'm gonna see you guys, inshallah. Yeah. After I watch this, inshallah. مع السلامة. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and bye.